Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool, simple new model I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami lightsaber. But not just any lightsaber, it's a lightsaber boomerang flicker. Check this out. Whoa, did you see that? Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. Alright, wanna learn how to make it? Ready, set, here he goes. Alright, so here's what the lightsaber boomerang looks like up close. Yep, it's a boomerang flicker like I just showed. And it's got a nice lightsaber on here. And this is actually magical because check this out. You turn it over, the lightsaber's gone. But then, once you shine a light from behind, it reappears just like that. Isn't that cool? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and fold it. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin colored side up, and we're going to fold this up how much? Well, this is going to be the handle, so if you want it taller, fold it more. But I say probably about like this. Probably good. Okay, and now let's begin colored side up again. And we're going to fold in half, but we're just going to make 2 crease marks on the 2 sides. So one here, and one here. Like that. Unfold, and fold this edge up. We're not going to fold to the crease marks, we're going to leave some space. And that's going to be half the thickness of the lightsaber. So yeah, maybe about like this is good. To taste. And repeat on this side. You can just match what you did here. Okay, and we're almost done. Can you believe that? This is a super simple model. Turn over, and we're just gonna close the edges off so it'll fly like a flick. So this is the top, and we're gonna fold this up. It's not really that important, but about like this. Just fold it up just a little bit like that, and do that all the way around. Maybe on the side you can probably go a little bit less than that. If you want. Okay, now on the bottom, this is the handle, you remember? I recommend just folding it up just like a tiny bit, because this will shorten the handle a little bit. If you fold it too much, you'll have a really short handle. Yeah, just fold it just a tad, just enough so the edges are closed off. Okay, and this one, fold it up about like this or so to taste. Alright, and creep sharply. And here it is. There is our lightsaber. Yep, and this is magical because you turn it over, the lightsaber disappears, but when you shine a light from behind, it reappears just like that. Okay. So, there it is. And now, I recommend just giving it a little bit of curvature. It'll make it fly a little bit better, I think. And yeah, and there it is. Alright, and now, I'll show you how to fly it. So, I'm going to hold it by the handle, and I'm going to flick on this edge. So here goes. Alright, I'm going to hold it right here, I'm going to flick right here. So here goes. Oh, did you see that? Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, there it is. Well, hope you guys find this interesting and really cool. And yeah, I think it's super cool because it's super simple to fold, and it's got a nice lightsaber here and it flies like a boomerang, and that's really cool about it. So yeah, hope you guys like this model. Make sure you subscribe and make demos of it. Alright, see you guys later.